A very happy birthday to the beautiful soul and a gem kind of person, Dr. Kavita Kuknoor. Ma'am, please accept my best wishes on your special day. Keep shining as you are a star. I really wonder how you manage everything so perfectly, so patiently, with a beautiful smile on your face. It's really commendable. I can't thank you enough for inspiring and supporting me throughout, for all the love and care, for the lessons, advices you taught me, considering me as your younger sister. Love you so much, ma'am. I really feel blessed to have you as my mentor. You are just amazing. May God bless you with lots and lots of love, happiness, success, good health, and prosperity. Wish you a very happy birthday once again. Thank you so much.
Hello, ma'am. A very happy birthday, ma'am. You have the kindest soul with a deeply ingrained desire to help the humanity better. Your compassion simply warms our heart, and I am also blessed to know such an incredible, caring human being. Bless your kind heart, ma'am. I wish God will always give you strength and endless desire needed to carry on with your compassion towards homeopathy, ma'am. Happy birthday, selfless doctor. Ma'am, you are a true blessing to our group. Happy birthday once again. Have a great day, ma'am.
Kavita ma'am, many happy returns of the day. You are the most inspirational person I know. So there are lots of love, prayers for your blessed year ahead. God bless you, ma'am. Thank you.
Many happy returns of the day, Dr. Kavita ma'am. You are a truly selfless doctor, and you are one of the kindest souls. I am glad to be in touch with you since so many years. It's been years past now, and but your love, compassion for me as well as for everybody, for serving the humanity, the homeopathic fraternity, is always endless. And I hope God give you good health, wealth, as well as love, happiness, and provide you the courage to fulfill all your dreams. And he bless you with all your dreams come true. Happy birthday, ma'am. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hi, ma'am. Many more happy returns of the day, ma'am. I hope you enjoy such many more birthdays and enjoy your special day, ma'am.
Hi, Dr. Kavita. Wish you a very happy and a fabulous year ahead. Wish you happy birthday. You're such a nice human being that there are no words to tell you how we feel about you. You're spreading your smile all over the globe, and you're spreading homeopathy too along with it. Wish you happy birthday.
Hello, ma'am. Wishing you a very happy birthday to you and your son as well. You are really a role model for us, and you always inspire us to do something new for the development of homeopathy. We always wanted to learn everything from you, and you are actually a role model in homeopathy. Always wanted to do everything in a very cute way. During pandemic situation, you organize a great series of um webinars and inspiration messages. It's really appreciable because after seeing that kind of inspiration message, we always used to inspire ourselves to do something new, to do something creative, and it is really appreciable which is continuously organizing by you. You always remember everyone's birthday and anniversaries, everything. You are too polite, ma'am, and I wanted to learn everything from you because in the way you always do everything in very cute manner. We want to learn everything because your nature, behavior, and your politeness actually attract us. Because having any kind of problem, you are always like to say no worry dear. So this is too a great statement that in spite of having much problem, but you always used to say no worry dear. It's really a polite manner to say everything is okay, don't bother about anything or everything. So this is too good, ma'am, and enjoy your day. and we are really very blessed to have a wonderful woman in our life. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye.
Hi friends, good evening everybody. It's a great day today for us because it's a birthday of our dear Kavita. So I wish her a very happy birthday. May her future life will be more bright, happier, healthier, more of prosperity. The way she is working for the KHA family and for the homeopathy is really great. A lot of energy, enthusiasm, passion, and full of new inventions for the awareness and prosperity of homeopathy. May God give her a lot of health, good health and energy to do this great mammoth job. Thank you.
I thank our Ka family, each and everyone, for showing your incredible love. Each of you have made my birthday very special. I'm so blessed and very fortunate to have you all in my life. Special thanks to Dr. Sweta Singh, our Ka Chief Administrator, Dr. Shrija, our Ka Coordinator, Dr. Yashika Malhotra, Dr. Shravani, Dr. Mamata, Dr. Hiralal Agarwal, Dr. Pooja, Dr. Nupur, Dr. Rajneesh, Dr. Deepak, and all Ka family members for sending your wishes and blessings. You all have poured your love, sweetness, courage, inspiration, support, knowledge, and wisdom into my life cup. So it is always full, and I can use that back for serving society selflessly. No words to express my gratitude to all of you, and tons of thanks to you all. I thank Fayaz and Kevin Friendly Foundation entire team for celebrating our birthday at Amma Parivar Orphanage in India with beautiful children. Thank all of them for sending us wonderful birthday wishes. I believe in God and I thank universe for surrounding me with good and divine people like you all. Many blessings to all. Thank you so much.
మీరందరూ తరఫు నుంచి కూడా సాయిని కూడా బర్త్డే విషెస్ అదేంటి తీసుకుంటున్నాము. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ, మెనీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ ఇంత చక్కగా అదేంటి ఇండియాలో అందరితోటి చేశారు, హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇట్స్ రియల్లీ వెరీ గ్రేట్. మీకు అందరికీ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్.
Thank you, madam.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.